Okay, we got another 1 minute breakfast. Alright, first thing we're going to start off with these bad boys. Okay, this happens to be Carb Balance. This one. Also use these. These are a little bit smaller. It's a spinach one. Keto friendly. Okay, and all we do is we're going to stick in the old toaster oven and we're going to warm it up a little bit. Okay. So while she's warming, okay, we're going to set all this stuff aside. Okay, while she's warming up, now we're not going to overcook it. We're not going to try to toast it. We're just going to, all we're doing is actually warming it up. Okay. We have our ingredients right here. Okay, and once you get to just a little bit warm, we don't want to overcook it. It'll bubble up if you overcook it. So we're just going to let it warm up a little bit. Here we'll get a little bigger plate. That's what we're going to do. Okay. Okay, this is a real quick breakfast. Another real fast breakfast. And it's good. And it's nutritious. Now you heat it up to your desired temperature. But you don't want to overheat it because it'll start bubbling up. Okay, it's warm there. Okay. A little bit more. What it's going to do is it's going to make it real good. Okay, you don't want to overdo it because it'll. Every time you overdo it, you'll see it'll bubble. It'll bubble up and it won't be as good. Okay, that'll be good enough. Shut her off. Okay, now we're going to start with some Smucker's. Okay, natural peanut butter. This one happens to be creamy. Okay. So this is really healthy for you. And I just take a spoon, a small spoon, and I'm going to run it down one side. Okay. Just a little, whatever you desire. Okay. Next ingredient is going to be some almond butter. This is creamy almond butter. So this is really quick and easy. I'll take a little spoon of that, and I'll put it down the other side. I'll run it down this way. Okay. Now, set this aside. Next, we're going to take our, this is sugar-free. Okay, this is Smucker's. Sugar-free, and it's a apricot preserve. Okay, I'll put all that on there. Put that down the middle. You can use any kind of preserve that you like. I happen to have some fresh blackberry preserve, which I also like. Then, down the middle of this thing, get over here in the camera. Okay. Got the blueberries, fresh blueberries that I've washed. Okay. Just take a few blueberries and drop them on there. Okay. Then to top it off, we got some Cool Whip topping. Let's see where we at. Cool Whip. We'll take a little of that. Put it down the middle. here, set that aside. Then we're going to take her. Now this, boys and girls, is breakfast. I'm going to do is fold it over. Okay. That is a quick and easy breakfast. It's nice and warm. Okay, let's give it a try. Alright, these are quick and easy breakfast. Easy to fix, not hard to fix. Quick and easy. That's how we do it here. Make a quick and easy breakfast.